Hey guys, what's up? I just got these elastic bandages from Amazon. Thought I'd open one up with you so we can take a look at it and see if it really does have that strong hold. We will test it out and let you know. Let me get some. I got some scissors here. So the trick is getting into this and not cutting the bandage, right? Let me cut a little bit off the top there. And then I should be able to get that in there real good. Okay. Should be able to tear that off now. Okay, first off, pretty soft. Oh yeah, look at that. We got some nice Velcro on there. So you can see that pretty big chunk of Velcro on the end there. And it does have some pretty good stick to it, but let's open this up a little bit, stretch it out. It's pretty strong, got some good elasticity to it. Let's look at this kind of like stitching there. That looks really great. I'm not seeing anything like coming off of it or anything. Now I guess you would need to, of course, wrap the whole bandage because, I mean, I suppose you could cut it, but you probably want to use the whole thing. We've got some other Velcro on this one. This one's a little crumpled up just from being in the center there, but let's see how this sticks on here too. Oh yeah, that's got some pretty good stick to it even after being crumpled. Let me just make it flat. There we go. So I suppose you could cut it if you wanted to. But let's just do this real tight and see how it works. Let me zoom this out just a little bit more. Well, certainly pretty easy to wrap. The elastic really allows you to adjust like how tight you want it. I suppose depending on what you're wrapping, you might want it a little more loose or a little more tight. I might actually have this too tight for my hand. Might turn purple a little bit there. It's okay, we're going to take it off in a second. And I wrapped it backward, so that's great. It's okay, I'll just turn it around like this to test out the Velcro. Yeah, sticks pretty well. Seems like it is pretty well made. I like the stitching, looks really good there on the end. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'd make sure you turn it the right way, although it does twist around pretty well. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.